Hello, Assalamu alaikum children. Now it's tutorial time for preposition. Well, you have learned this. It is in. So, how do we describe in? Without giving any description, by looking just to the video, we could understand the meaning of in. The world is full of wonders, and this is one of them, where we could comprehend the word in just by looking at the videos, at the actions. So we know the place and location of the object. Such as this, it is called in the basket. In the pail. Actually, it is undescribable. So, who has the ability to learn by heart? He is the best learner in the world. Well then, just look at the pianist, at the guitarist, all the musicians. At one level, they came to the extent that they master the music by heart, and they became a well-known musician in the world. It's just like when you were shown this button, so please push it, subscribe, like, and share this video, will you? Thank you. Then, when you were shown this video, automatically you will know that this means under. I say under. Under, 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 and under. As we were talking about the ball relative to the object. And this video will automatically tells you beside. Beside, I say. Beside, 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 and beside. After all, by looking at the next video, absolutely, we will get the message. It's behind. So, easily, we could detect the location of the ball is behind the boy. Behind, and also behind, behind, and behind. Well then, it is my main purpose in this video is to share my opinion where education is a lifelong process. It is all about observing, downloading informations and knowledge. Then a lot of thinking, brother and sister, children, a lot of thinking until it is all fathomized by the heart. It takes a lot of time, effort, and willingness. At the moment the heart leads you, you are dancing, children. You are the best learner in the world. Until we meet again, inshallah, bye-bye.